Imagine having an equity stake in 2 properties without buying either one fully. The Jameson in Princeton, Texas. A 3-bed, 2-bath single-family home with an estimated rent of around $2,150 per month. Built for rental income, in a market where demand continues to grow. The Macallan, also in Princeton, Texas. Same high-growth area, same fundamentals. Population growth, housing demand, and long-term potential. Now here's what makes this different. Most people think real estate means saving for years, taking on debt, and managing everything yourself. But with Realbricks, you can buy fractional shares in properties like these, giving you a real equity stake in income-producing real estate, without the full purchase price or the day-to-day responsibilities. You own shares in the investment, and if the property generates profits, you receive your portion of those distributions. So instead of waiting until you can afford the whole thing, you can start building now. Because building wealth through real estate doesn't have to start with buying a house. It can start with a single brick. Start building your real estate portfolio with Realbricks, one brick at a time.